until I find what works.
Discover cassette.
A wind warning remains in effect until 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific Time this afternoon. Winds. South winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour along beaches and headlands, and 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour in coastal communities. Timing: this morning through this afternoon. Impacts: tree damage and power outages. Winds of this magnitude may also make driving hazardous. Precautionary preparedness actions. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.
And recharge is
Talking about.
it's a lot of fun.
High wind
And to have a couple of laughs.
Move on. That just got weird.
A high wind warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 51 degrees with rain and windy conditions. Today, windy with rain, high 53. Tonight, rain and wind, low 42. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Science Week is coming. A 7-day